Hello and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be taking you through Ringtone's Apoko car collection. Well, Ringtone is quite controversial with a net worth assumed to be $6 million. Yeah, so you can imagine his love for pricey cars. Well, if you love the content, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for your boy. Let's go. So going first is the Mercedes C-Class, and it's estimated to be worth about $4 million. As you can see, that's the ride. In second is the Land Cruiser VX. As you can see, the ride worth about $4 million. Next is the Range Rover Sports SVR. As you can see, worth about $26 million. At least that's what Ringtone says. Though the ride is about 16 to 19 million. Yeah, is the market price. Yeah. The last ride is the Range Rover Evoque. Yep. Yeah, the price is $6 million. Anyway, if you came to the end of this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Praise God.
What?